Okay, welcome to this video and this presentation. So in this presentation, we want to look at the Cambridge Igcse paper, all right, which is a mathematics paper 3, core mathematics. The code is 0580/32. This exam was written between March and February 2021. All right. So in the first video, we did questions from 1 to question 6, meaning that in this video, I'll explain or deal with question 7 all the way to question 9. All right, so let me take you to question 7. So if you want the video for question 1, please just search for it. All right. Okay, so let me take you to question 7. So in case you want to contact us, these are our numbers. Please don't forget to subscribe, and you can contact us on those numbers. You can WhatsApp us. Yeah, I'll be very glad to attend to you. So question 7 starts or reads, Prakash buys 45 flowers from a shop. Now, this shop has got a special offer. When you buy 3 for a price of 2 bunches. All right. Now, this Prakash has got 45 flowers. All right. Now, each bunch has got 5 flowers. Each bunch has got 5 flowers, meaning that Prakash has got 45 flowers. Then how many bunches are there? So find the number of bunches that Prakash has. You say 45 divided by 5. It means this person has got 9 bunches. All right, has got 9 bunches. These are the number of bunches that Prakash has. Now, the price for 1 bunch of flowers is $2.68 or $2.68. All right. Now, using a special offer, work out how much Prakash is going to pay. Look, if you buy 2, 1 bunch, we need to know that 1 bunch will cost you this much, 2.68. That is 1 bunch. Meaning that if you have got 2 bunches, you multiply this by 2. So of course the bunches will eliminate, meaning that for 2 bunches, you are going to say 2 times $2.68. Please take note there's dollars here. So what do you get for 2 bunches? You're going to get 5.36 in dollars. This is for 2 bunches. All right. Now there is this 3 bunches for you pay this, and this you pay 5.36, and this person has got 9 bunches. So we are going to say 9 bunches divided by 3. So we are going to get 3 bunches that will be bought for for this match, right? So to find out how much this person is going to pay for the 45 flowers, you are going to say for the 2 bunches, the price is this. For 2 bunches. For 2 bunches, it is $5.36. Now, if you have got 3 bunches, you're going to pay this much. But there are 9 bunches, so 9 into 3, you get 3. So this should be multiplied by 3. That is how much you're going to pay for those 9 bunches getting at this special offer. All right, so this will give us $16.08. Right? That is our answer. So you can even write it here, $16.08. You get your 3 marks. Now, 15 flowers are red, so you have got red. You have got 18 flowers that are orange, and the rest are yellow. Okay? So you have got 15 to 18. But the total number of flowers are 45. So when you add 15 plus 18, you less it from 45, we are going to get 12 here. So there will be 12. All right? Now, give your answers in the write down the ratio of the number of red flowers, orange flowers, and yellow flowers. Give your answer in its simplest form. So we need to reduce. We need to find the common factor, the highest common factor for this. And the highest common factor, I think, would be 3. Don't worry, even if it's not the highest common factor, you can still reduce it. So this will give us 5. This will give us 6. And this will give us 4. Can we find any common factor rather than 1? No. So it means this is our ratio. 5, all right, 2, 6, 2, 4. That is our ratio. So we move to the next question. Prakash gives the 45 flowers to his family. All right? He gives his grandmother. The grandmother is given X flowers. He gives his mother 8 more. Mother, it is 8 more than his grandmother. So the grandmother is given X. So the mother will get 8 more. So to add 8. So it is 8 plus X. He gives his cousin 6 flowers, 6 fewer flowers than his grandmother. So the grandmother was given 6, but the cousin gets 6 less than that of the grandmother. So you say minus 6. Then he gives his sister, so sister gets twice as many flowers as he gives his cousin. So the cousin gets X minus 6, meaning that the sister gets 2x minus 12. All right? Now, use this information to show that 5x minus 10 is equal to 45. So what we are going to do is to add up all these numbers. X plus 8 plus x minus 6 plus 2x minus 12, and the answer must be equal to 45. So by collecting the like terms, you have got x plus x plus x plus 2x. This will give us 45 plus 12. 45 plus 12. Okay, before we do that, take note, our aim is to reduce it in this form. We're not finding the value of x first, we're not solving. So we just have to deduce to that. So what we need to do is say x plus x plus x plus h minus, all right, I think there's a 2x plus 8 minus 6 minus 12. The answer here is 45, right? So when we add up here, we get 5x. 8 minus 6 is 2. All right? All right. 2 minus 12, negative 10, is equal to 45. We are done. You can even say, hence shown that 5x minus 10 is equal to 45. All right. Then we are asked to solve the equation now. 5x minus 10 is equal to 45. So you collect the like terms, the 45 plus 10. 5x is equal to 55. So we divide by 5 both sides. Our x is equal to 11. So x is 11. Find the number of flowers that Prakash gives to his cousin. Remember we said for the cousin, it is x minus 6. But our x is 11. 11 minus 6. The answer is 5. So here it is 5. Okay. The baker put some cakes in the oven at 5:50 p.m. The cakes take 20 minutes to bake. All right. Complete the clock diagram to show the time when the cakes are baked. So we have got 20 minutes here. All right. I've got 20 minutes here. So when you add 10 minutes, all right? When you add 10 minutes here, for example, we'll add 10 minutes. What are you going to get? You get. So you have to be very careful in adding. All right, otherwise it will produce. Okay. You have what this? This. Now, sometimes you get confused. These are hours. So I've got 5 hours, like 5 p.m. Already it is in hours. This again, the 60, it's minutes, which is like an hour. All right. So when you add that 1 hour, because it's like 60 minutes, which is 1. So when you add 1 to this, you're going to get 6. So it will take you to 6 p.m. All right, it's going to take you to 6. I'm just using this for illustration. It's going to take you to 6 p.m. So when you add again 10 minutes, now it will take you to this. So it will be 6. Please take note, we don't use this. So it will take you to this. It will take you to this. So 6:10 p.m. All right. So to complete, this one should come here, and this one will take you there. Yeah, if you want, you can even do that. All right. Or alternatively, do direct. Say, since it is 0 as it's 5:50, when I add 10, it will take me to 6 p.m. When you add another 10, it will take you to 10 p.m. All right. Take you to 6:10 p.m. Okay. I think we can go to the next one. A lesson uses 550 grams of flour to make 8 cakes. All right. Work out the amount of flour needed to make 360 cakes. So what we are saying is that 550 grams of flour will produce 8 cakes. But now, if I want 360 cakes, this will be equal to x. So x will be equal to 550 grams. Of course, the grams will cancel. Oh, take note, sorry. Give your answers in kilograms. So, this should be multiplied by 360 divided by 8. So once you find that, we are going to get 24,750 grams. But now we convert this to kgs. So you divide this by 1,000. So your x will be equal to 24.75. So this is our answer here. So 24.75 kgs. Okay. Work out which bag of flour is the best value. Show your weighting. So what we can do, when you have got for 850 grams, you pay 55 cents. 950, 60 cents. 1,150, you pay 80 cents. So which of these bags has got the best value? So it's better you know how much you pay for each gram. How much in terms of cents you pay for each gram. So we are saying 850 will cost us 55 cents. It will cost 55 cents. How about 1 gram? What is the cost? Or say X. So the grams will eliminate, mean that X will be equal to 55. Sorry, it will be equal to, when you cross the multiplication, it will be 55. Yeah, 55 divided by 850. All right. So what are we going to get? You get something like approximately 0.065, meaning that this is for A. This is the bag A. Meaning that for bag B, you do the same. We are going to say 60 divided by 950. And this will produce 0.065. 0.063. For the last bar, which is bag C, you're going to say 80 divided by 1,250, and this will produce 0.6. Okay, let me calculate. You can calculate as well. So we are saying 1,250 divided by 80 divided by 1,250 to get this 0.064. This is how much we are going to get. So you realize that you spend less cents on 1 gram on B than any of these bags, meaning that you have got more value for B because you're spending less for the same grams. All right, so it means B is the one that has got the best value. All right, so we go to the next question. 1 cake will cost 24 cents to make. 1 cake will cost 24 cents to make. All right. The baker sells each cake for 65 cents. Calculate the percentage profit of the baker makes on each cake. So percentage profit is equal to 65, how much you are selling it, minus your cost, divided by the cost price. All right, times 100. And this will give you something like 170.8333333. Yeah. So you round it off to 3 significant figures. You're going to say 1, 2. Please, this is the point. So you chop a line here, take it as 1. 1 plus 0, 1. So 171%. All right. The baker asks some customers if they like lemon cake and if they like chocolate cake. The Venn diagram shows the results. Complete the statement below. This means the number of elements in the investor set. So when we count the people here, they are 12. Right? So answer here is 12. We got the fraction of the customers who like lemon or cake. Lemon or cake, but not both. So here the number of people is who like either lemon or cake. It is either this set or this one minus this. All right. So when you add these, you get 9. 9, the total number is 12. When you reduce it, you get 3/4. When you use 3, so 3/4. So 3 into 9 is 3, into 12 is 4. Use certain notation to complete the statement. For this one, Jai and Nera, you know, this is the common region for L and C. So it is an intersection. So this is an intersection set of L and C. So L intersection C, or C intersection L. What does the Venn diagram show about Taj? Taj does not like any of these cakes. So in short, Taj likes none of the cakes. Taj likes none of the cakes. Or he does not like any of those cakes. All right, that's what it means. Okay, let's go to the next question. On the 1 square centimeter grid, draw one rectangle that has a perimeter of 22 and an area of 24. All right. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? It is given by this length plus breadth. All right. And the perimeter is 22. So here 22 is equal to 11 plus L plus B. So when you divide by 2, you divide by 2. So you have got 11 is equal to L plus B. But the area of this perimeter is 24 square centimeters. So area of a rectangle is that. So in short, we want this arrangement where L times B is 24. In short, find two factors of 24. All right? Two factors of 24 whose sum is 11. And the factors of 24 are at 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Because once you multiply that, you get 24. When you add, you get 11. All right. So to draw the rectangle, you can start from this point, any point. Maybe this point. So our length is 8. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then our breadth is 4. It's 3, sorry. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that is our rectangle. So our length is 8 centimeters. Our breadth is 3 centimeters. Then we are done. All right, so we go to the next question, which is on the angles. Work out the value of x. Okay, so to find the value of x, we need to add all the angles. This angle, this angle, this one, and this one. But to find this angle, we are going to say 360 minus 298, because angles at a point will give you 180 degrees. And we are going to get 62 here degrees. So to find x, so here it is 62. So to find x, so x will be equal to 360 degrees minus all those angles. Minus 127, minus 98, minus 62. So your x will be equal to 77 degrees. So here there's 77 degrees. Write down the two geometrical properties needed to find the x. All right. One, we say the first one we have used angles at a point. angles of a circle is 360. That's what we've used. Then the other one we are saying we have also used 360 here for the quadrilateral. This 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So the interior angles of a quadrilateral will add up to 180. So sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. And here our answer was 77 degrees. Yeah. Okay, part C. Draw a tangent to a circle at point P. So to draw a tangent, you need to get a ruler, draw a straight line passing through this point P. All right? So you must get your ruler and draw a tangent. Right, so I'm using my free hand, but you need to draw with a ruler. So you can even indicate that that is T for tangent. The exterior angle of a regular polygon is 24. Work out the number of sides of this polygon. All right, so we know there's a relationship between the exterior angles of a regular polygon and the number of sides. And the relationship is exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees over the number of sides. But here the number of the angle is 24. The exterior angle is 24 degrees is equal to 360 degrees over n, meaning that your n will be equal to 360 degrees divided by 24 degrees. All right, so that's how you're supposed to get it. And what is your answer? So you are going to realize that this will give you 15 sides. So you have got 15. All right. Here we need to calculate, I think this is the last part of this paper now. We need to calculate the value of x. All right. The value of x. Why is our x? This is our x. So we have an angle here. We either need this side or that side. All right, so we are going to apply two concepts here, the Pythagorean theorem and the SOHCAHTOA under trigonometry. So to find, we need to find this side first. Yeah, because we have a challenge finding this. So to find that, we'll say c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. C is our hypotenuse, which is 18.6 squared, is equal to 7.4 squared plus b squared. What does it mean? You are going to say b squared is equal to, when we rearrange the terms, you have got 18.6 squared minus 7.4 squared. Meaning that our b is the square root of, so the square root of 18.6 squared minus 7.4 squared. So once you do that, you're going to get your answer as 11.41052146 centimeters. Do not round off here because you distort your answer. So this is what we have here. So take note. This is what we have here. This is what we have here. All right, this is what we have there. Now, to find this now, you have got this opposite side to this angle, so we can utilize this, the SOHCAHTOA. say I have an angle and the opposite side, then I want the hypotenuse. So you can use this. Which is sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. In this case, our theta is 41. So say sine 41 degrees is equal to opposite. Opposite is the same angle that we have found, 11.41052.145 divided by the hypotenuse is x. What does it mean? Here, if you introduce a 1, you cross multiply and so for x. So x will be 11.41052145 divided by sine 41 degrees. So x will be equal to, so when you work out that on your calculator, you're going to get 17.39252256 centimeters. So we'll round off this to 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. Take 9 as 1 plus 3 is 4, so 17.4 centimeters. All right, so 17.4, that is our answer. Okay, that is where we end for this question. We can see that it is blank. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. And may God bless you all. You can subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. Please, in case you want to reach to us, you want to contact us, you can contact us on 0978 56 58 76 or okay, just a minute. Or the other number is 0979 67 38 09. Thank you so much. Thank you for your attention. Till we meet next time, this has been Pili Kamban. Shalom, shalom.